My name's Eileen Truax. I'm a journalist and writer. You can find my work in documentaries, newspapers, magazines, and published books in the United States, Latin America, and Spain. I also had the honor of receiving the Desalambre Human Rights Journalism Award and the Media Woman of the Year Award. Writing is a way of expressing our understanding of the world. There's a story around every corner. I like to go out into the streets, find them, and listen to them. I seek and notice details, strive to understand people's daily lives, and discover the challenges that they face. My task is to build a complete and honest image of the subject and share other people's voices, especially those whose stories we don't get to hear very often. In this Domestica course, you will learn to write a nonfiction story that you and everyone else will like to read. For the final project, you will write your own narrative piece from real life, using journalistic tools to gather information and literary resources to build a good story. To get started, we're going to identify what turns a nonfiction piece into a literary story, and we'll learn to dissect a text to understand how it was built. After that, we will learn some resources to portraying a character and the essential elements to create a scene. Then I will share with you how to choose your subject and gather information. Next, we will look at how to tackle the blank page and start writing our piece. Once you have your first draft, I'll show you how to review it with critical eyes and get an opinion from someone you trust. Finally, I will explain some possibilities to move forward with your text, publish it, and make some noise to catch the attention of an editor. By the end of this course, you will understand how to write a nonfiction story with all the whys and hows behind every what. Every person is unique and their experiences are too. Write that one story that only you can tell.